Alright, YouTube, what's going on? It's that time. Today's the day. Every haircut challenge. Jeezy challenged your boy and put a lot of stress on me. I ain't gonna lie. Put a lot of stress on me. Cause guys, like if I do 10 haircuts a week, that's a lot. So today I'm gonna do the most haircuts I've done in probably a year and a half. All for the love of YouTube, all for the love of Jeezy and the Every Haircut Challenge. Let's go. Today's the day. Every haircut challenge is going down. You doing it too? Oh, it's going down. First things first, we gotta clean all this stuff up. I gotta organize everything because if I don't organize everything, right now I'm on handicap because there's gonna be a lot of haircuts and I'm not prepared. I'm not built for this right now. Preparation is key, guys. Let's get prepared. Always be charged. Always be charged. Let's go. It's going down. So it's my first cut. Dom.
How you doing, man?
What's up, man? We're doing a challenge. It's an every haircut challenge. They want me to record every haircut before and after. So
that's a lot.
Just the before and after. So. You see this hair right here? See how it's like thicker than a thread, right? See it? See it? See how it's like super thick? Each hair strand is super thick. Look at this beard. That is coarse straight hair. That is coarse straight hair. Jeezy, this is coarse straight hair. I'll show you some more coarse straight hair. Come over here, Matt. See how every hair strand is super thick, but his hair is straight? That is coarse straight hair. Jeezy, come on, bro. Unfortunately, I have set my day up for failure because I was trying to get my next client to come in 15 minutes early. Turns out I missed a one. Now, it's gonna be a tough every cut challenge. I'm literally gonna be behind the whole day. I'm gonna be cutting, trying to squeeze these guys in. It's gonna be a disaster. Sneak peek of what the shop be putting out. The hands in here. Man, we got a crazy team. We might have to do velocity cuts versus headlines challenge. Go. Next up, in case you're wondering, I'm using my iPhone. Fire. Ready, Billy? Yeah. Let's get it. Hey, just a heads up, guys. I caught up. We're almost done with this cut. We're almost there. But I'm just happy I caught up. You guys know how it is, man. The stress that you get from falling behind. Hey, you gotta give customers what they want. Color enhancements. Give them what they want. High taper again? Yeah. Alright, let's do it. You don't gotta use the enhancements on everybody, but you got a nice line. You want both of it? You want all that?
Yeah, I need all that.
That's a lot, man. You can't come in here with my favorite sneakers
It's been a month.
and put me to work like that,
It's
man.
been a month.
Everything.
Like I'm talking about, you got my hair hanging on my ears. It's been that long.
How you like when I record your hair?
I know you're gonna do good. Listen, I know you're gonna put in that word. You're gonna put a little extra sprinkle on it, man.
It's a real day in the life of the barbershop. Towel day. Fold them towels, put them in there, and we back. We ran out of towels. Shout out to Josie and Kendrick. Teamwork.
motto. Y'all don't challenge him no more. Right? No more challenges. The GOAT. Alright, you see that? GOAT now. Listen, hey now.
If you want to do the same thing, we I gotta do the before and after. It's a YouTube challenge. Relax, bro. Don't get all like, you know.
Bro, I'm a natural at this.
All right, so that's the before. Eli's got a YouTube channel too, low key. I just gave him advice. If he wants his channel to pop, he's gotta have kids.
Nah, no kids yet. I'm too young.
Yo, do you want color or no? No. All right, guys. Got one more appointment. Everybody's been wondering where he's at, and I found him. I got him to come in. I want to make sure everybody knows he's safe. He's still alive. Look who it is. What's up, bro?
None.
People don't even know if you're alive or not.
I'm around.
You're around. All right.
Hair.
What kind of haircut we doing?
Taper.
A taper.
Growing out my hair.
Damn. People don't know this.
Don't tell them.
All right, I bring to you the new fonts. All right, there he is.
We back, baby.
The new fonts.
The new. You're right. How can I be back if I've never been this way?
Around the block, like he stayed
Actually,
like
I
on
guess-
this, and I stayed like.
When I was working with you, I had the curls, right?
I see your car parked in all different spots. I see you
Ain't no
sometimes
parking
in the,
spaces,
No more
man.
in
do-rags,
the
baby.
little, like,
That's it.
No more do
I saw your
rags,
car the
baby.
other day. I was.